In the previous example, we saw that input function returns string values. So, when we obtain value by using input function, its type will be string. Let's repeat here. To make it simple, let's enter 12 and 34. Hit enter again. Although we entered integer values, the type of the inputted value is displayed as string. The type of summation is displayed as string, and it is simply the result for joining two character strings end to end. In this example, we are going to cover how to conduct the summation operation for the integer values entered by using input function. In order to do that in Python, we use int function. So this int function simply converts the type of its argument to integer. The argument here is the value which is obtained by using input function from the user. Let's do the same thing for number 2. Now, the type of the value which is assigned to number 1 is integer, and the type of the value which is assigned to number 2 is integer. After that, the type of the summation will be integer, and this operation will be the summation of two integer values. Finally, the type of number 1 is displayed as integer, and the type of summation is displayed as integer here.